Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying power quickly. Plug the case into a known good charger and watch the LED. Once done, open the lid and check the LED behavior. Steady, blinking, or off tells you different things. Next, use a dry anti-static brush or toothpick to clear the lightning port and the interior contact pads. You want conductive debris gone. Make sure the charger and cable are working with another device, because you don't want to chase phantom faults when the power source is the real issue. Once the basic checks are done, perform a controlled deep clean. Lightly dampen a cotton swab with 70% isopropyl and clean the metal contact pins in the case and on each AirPod. Make sure nothing flexes or gets wet inside. After drying, reseat the AirPods to confirm magnetic alignment. If charging still fails, reset the case by holding the setup button for about 15 seconds until you see an amber flash, then white. This forces the system to relearn contacts and power states. Now finalize by testing charging behavior. Plug in, observe the LED, and check the battery widget on your iPhone to confirm percentages rise. If only one AirPod charges, swap them between left and right wells to see whether the issue follows a pod or stays with the case. This isolates the faulty component. Make sure to let everything dry fully before testing. If nothing changes after cleaning and reset, your key troubleshooting tip is to contact Apple support or an authorized service provider.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.